that you relaxed your mind and let your conscience be free and got down with Brotha Soul as the EXT. We tried to cook up a vibe for the music Epicurean, particular palates and music connoisseuring them, making that tasty. The only implication to have you smacking your lips to a vibe you can't feel safe in. Cause when it comes to that, the extras are the prototype. We know the land, and we know the light. All natural fact, ask a Mennonite. True heroes on the mic, not some rap actors dressed up. Men in tights, let them pretend we the real type.
Hi, and welcome back to 3 Simple Steps by Basics. This will be our 10th edition, or part 10. If I'm going too fast, please rewind the video, and if you need to slow it down, take things at your own pace, then please do so. It always helps when you take or learn something at your own pace, at your own speed. Okay, now here we go. First step first. I will step forward with my right leg. So I'm going to put my right foot forward, but this time I'm going to turn the ankle out a little bit. Okay, so because we're going to turn that ankle, you want to lean forward as you step. Otherwise, when you do this, you won't be able to turn much. Okay, so put the right foot forward and lean onto it. But mostly you're still balanced on both feet. Not that it's heavier on the front foot or the back foot. You're still quite balanced, because what we're going to do is we're going to twist that like this. Okay. Again, I'm going to put the right foot forward, leave the ankle facing out so that I can turn it in. It's easier to turn if you are on the ball of your feet. Now the ball of your feet is right where the bottom of the big toe is, the big toe knuckle. So when you do tippy toes, you're on your ball of your feet. Okay, so you kind of like half tippy toe here so that you can move that turn on the floor easily with your ball of your feet. Okay, step, turn, out, and then I'm going to take another step with the left foot right now, and turn, and then out. And then I'm going to lean back so that I can bring the foot back. You don't have to cross. In fact, when you do this, you already cross. It looks like a cross. You're crossing your feet, your legs. Okay. And I'm going to take another step back and twist back. Now, we're going to do this since this is the only step for step 1. These are the only moves. We don't have any hand movements. I'm just going to leave the hand movements to you, let you find your own balance so that you don't fall over. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Let's try that again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now let's try step 1 again right now, but with a little bit of a tempo. I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now pretty much done. Step 1, and let's go into step 2. Now let's say we're coming back from. All right. Here we go. Let's say we're coming back from the end of step 1, right here. So you need space. Let's create that space. You need space for you to do this. All right. So from here we're gonna go and 1, and 1, like this, okay? From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. It's very simple, just lifting your knee. 1, 2, just lifting your heel. Okay, again. 1, 2. So let's do this from the end of step 1, right here. Go, and 1, and 2. Then go, and 3, 4. Okay. How we do 3 and 4 is basically we're doing the same thing. We're twisting. Well, with same thing as the first step. Instead of twisting both the different directions, you're going to twist both the same direction so that your whole body turns. Like that. So you take that third count to turn. 3 and 4. You put your heels down. It helps you to count or keep the tempo. Okay? From here again, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, again, the foot that is in front of you, you're going to lift up the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it with proper count. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alright, now let's start from the end of step 1. After this, then we're going to go and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, now let's go from step 1 into step 2. Let's try to do it slow but connected. Alright, I'm going to start from neutral stance position, neutral standing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then again, that's what I did. In the demo, I did 2 twice. So let's go again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go into step 3. Let's say we're ending from step 2 here. Now the left foot should be at the back at the end of step 2, and we're going to kick again. A lot of kicking, right? All my steps, all the steps I've been teaching, there's a lot of kicking. Alright, now let's go. We're going to kick with the left foot forward like this. 1, but this time we're going to put this foot slightly towards this direction where we're going here. Okay, and once we do that, and then we're going to bring this foot that's at the back here over here. Yes, you're going to cross slightly, or just put it right behind this left foot. And from here, if you remember the spin, yes, we're going to spin like this. So now I'm facing there. Okay, and we're going to do this again, but because we did this with this leg that's right here, closer towards the camera, or what's right there could be the front of the stage or the audience. Left foot is going to kick, step, and then I'm going to step back here with the right foot and spin. Kick with the right foot now. Kick, step, and step, and spin. Okay, let's try that again from the end of step 2, which is like this. You're going to bring that left foot, kick, step, step. Remember the cross, and turn, and then kick, step, bring it behind you, cross slightly, and so that you can spin. And then we end it there. Okay, now just step 3 by count. Ready? We go 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Again from the end of step 2. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now for the hands, what I do for step 3 is basically just gonna kick and cross. Then 2, then 3, and 4, and again kick and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the whole sequence put together in a slow tempo. I'm going to count, alright? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then we go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's go slightly faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I know that you relaxed your mind and let your conscience be free and got down with Brotha Soul as the EXT. We tried to cook up a vibe for the music Epicurean, particular palates and music connoisseur in them, making that tasty. The only implication to have you smacking your lips to a vibe you can't feel safe in. Cause when it comes to that, the extras are the prototype. We know the land, and we know the light. All natural fact, ask a Mennonite. True heroes on the mic, not some rap actors dressed up. Men in tights, let them pretend we the real type. Creators of a greater flavor, palate cleanser for invented hype. You could taste it when my pen sheds light, flipping my heart's dark pages. Until we hold it center stages, headliners saying extra, extra, and it goes like this. See, good music cats are seen as the sidekicks and never get that full attention like a side chick in the wallets or the players of the FM. But I keep my mind on what Nina Simone destined to me. I'm Brotha Soul whose intentions are good and only want to bring some life to the streets of my hood through the words and the beats and the stories to tell. And when I do it,
And we're done with 3 simple steps by basics for this episode and this season, and hope you guys have been enjoying it so far. Do hit us up on Facebook, You can see the link below, and also do comment here if you have any questions, and take it slow, learn patiently, and be safe, everyone.